Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am sharing very healthy, tasty, diabetic friendly and weight loss recipe that can be prepared without much process, and this is suitable for all age groups. Even kids will enjoy this, so this would be a great lunchbox option, breakfast option or dinner option. Before getting into our recipe, if you're new here, please consider subscribing our channel for more healthy recipes. And also I'm very thankful to all our subscribers and viewers for your great support. Now without wasting any time, let's get into the recipe and see what this diabetic friendly recipe is. To start with our recipe, measure 1 cup of foxtail millets. This foxtail millets are also called as koralu in Telugu. This foxtail millet is rich in vitamin B12, which is essential for maintaining heart health. Now wash this foxtail millets thoroughly for 2 to 3 times and allow them to soak overnight. We need to soak at least a minimum of 7 to 8 hours. So if we are planning to make it as a breakfast, soak this overnight, or if we want to plan it for a dinner, then soak in the afternoon till night and then we can make it. This soaking for 7 to 8 hours helps in easy digestion of foxtail millets. So here I am soaking this overnight. Next day morning, cut all the vegetables and keep ready. Now heat the saucepan. Once the pan is heated, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil, and this oil is mandatory because oil helps in assimilation of foxtail millets. Here I am adding 2 pinches of asafoetida. This is very good for digestion. Now just 1 tablespoon of cashews. Now allow the cashews to fry along with the tempering seeds on a medium flame. Once everything is fried well, now add 1/4 cup of onion and allow this onion to fry until the onion is translucent. This foxtail millets also helps in smooth functioning of nervous system and in general good for skin also. Once the onions is well fried, now here I am adding 1 tablespoon of ginger that is chopped into small chunks and 3 green chilies. Green chili you can adjust according to your spice levels, and 1 twig of curry leaves. Now allow this green chili, ginger and curry leaves also fry along with the onions. Once everything is fried well and turned into light brown in color, now add all the remaining vegetables. You can add any vegetable, but here today I am adding tomato, carrots, bell peppers and green peas. You can add any vegetable that is available to you. Here after adding tomato, allow this to fry for about a minute, and once the tomato is also fried, add carrots, bell peppers and green peas. Now saute and allow all the vegetables to fry for a minute. Green peas are a good source of vitamin C, E, A and B, and rich in plant protein, zinc and fiber, and whereas carrots are a good source of beta carotene, fiber, vitamin K, potassium and antioxidants. Now add salt and turmeric powder and give a good mix so that it mixes well with all the vegetables. Now close the lid and allow all the vegetables to cook on low flame for about 2 minutes. Here our vegetables are well cooked. Now add sufficient water to this. As we measured 1 cup of foxtail millets, with the same cup measure 3 cups of water and add to the vegetables. Meanwhile, while the water is boiling, here we have the soaked foxtail millets. So strain the water that is soaked since last night. Here I have transferred to a sieve so that all the extra water is strained well. Now once the water is boiled, here you can see bubbles are there, so water is well boiled. Now transfer this foxtail millet to the water. Give it a good mix, then close the lid and allow this to cook on complete low flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. A diet including foxtail millets improves the glycemic control and reduce insulin, cholesterol and fasting glucose in type 2 diabetes patients. Here after 20 minutes, these millets are well cooked. Now garnish with cilantro and squeeze half lemon. Another important health benefit of this foxtail millet is this is also very good for hair growth. After squeezing half lemon, give it a good mix so that it combines well. Here it took me around 20 minutes to cook this on complete low flames. So make sure to cook this on complete low flame whenever you are making this. So with this, our healthy, tasty, diabetic friendly weight loss recipe, mixed vegetable foxtail millet upma, is ready to be served. This is very healthy and tasty and had a well balanced flavors of mixed vegetables and ginger. So give it a try and do let me know in the comment section how you liked about it. So friends, this is our tasty diabetic friendly weight loss recipe, mixed vegetable foxtail millet upma. If you like my recipe, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon for more healthy recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.